We are pleased to show you the 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, premium wheels, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, fog lights, parking sensors, four-wheel disc brakes. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.